Hi, I'm Luke Shoemaker, and I'm a senior biology major on the Holy Cross men's lacrosse team. I grew up spending a lot of time in the outdoors, whether it was playing sports or exploring nature. My dad grew up that way, and he made sure it was a really important part of our lives. So whether it was just taking our dogs to some mountain biking trails 10 minutes from our house, or going out west to Montana and visiting my uncle and spending a summer with him. One of my passions is also photography, and this is just another way for me to get outdoors and express my love for nature. So I think I was always motivated to work in an industry that cared for that type of stuff, that worked towards the preservation of the natural world. I was the Conservation and Husbandry Intern at the Phillip and Patricia Museum of Science in Miami, Florida. And so my responsibilities were kind of twofold, assisting with both the Conservation Department and the Animal Husbandry Department. So with the Conservation Department, we were doing things like coastal habitat restoration, citizen science, and beach cleanups, things like that. And then with the Animal Husbandry Department, I was assisting with all of Frost's live exhibits, so that includes a hammerhead shark, 2 sandbar sharks, 2 juvenile alligators, a juvenile crocodile, some snakes, some jellyfish, stuff like that. Kind of managing the day-to-day maintenance, the feeding and the training and things like that. I was also, kind of through some connections at Frost, I was also volunteering at a nonprofit called Mores, which does a lot of the same stuff in terms of coastal restoration. And a busy day for me looked like a 4:45 wake up, getting to Virginia Key Beach and monitoring, recording, tracking new turtle nesting sites. So Virginia Key has a considerable number of loggerhead sea turtle nesting sites that are often coming into conflict with the beaches there and the coastal development. So I actually got scuba certified while I was down there, which was awesome. And on my certification dive, we were checking out some coral reef sites, and I got to see a green sea turtle within 5 minutes of that. I think there were 3 massive eagle rays that swam by, and I was just like blown away. It was exactly what I had hoped for in exploring underwater. Kind of the beauty of it was I got to have a hand in so many different projects. I got to be completely involved in field work or completely removed from it. It was a really valuable experience to kind of go back and forth like that and kind of try everything out. But just all the people I came into contact with through the internship provided me with such a wide breadth of knowledge and career experiences that it really pushed me towards a better conclusion of what I want to do in my career.